Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video you will learn that how to add LDR sensor library to the Proteus. So here you can see library files. You can download this library from the link provided in the description. So let me open it, and here you can see two folders. One is library and the other one is model. So let me open the library folder first, and here copy this file from here, go to desktop, and here you can see the Proteus icon. Right click on it and then go to open file location. So from here go one step back to the main folder of Proteus 7, click on this, and now here you can see the library folder. Open it and paste the file over here. So you can see here the file are added here. Now close this and go back to the library folder of. So now open it and this time open the model folder, copy this file from here and go to the desktop. From here right click on it and go to open file location. Go one step back to the main folder of Proteus 7 and this time open the models folder and paste it here. Close it and now open the Proteus software. If you have already opened it, close it and reopen it again, otherwise it will not upload the latest libraries. So right click on it and then click on open. So now search for the LDR sensor. So here you can see the LDR sensor. Double click on it. Now click on OK. Place it here. Now zoom it to a specific area. So here you can see the torch. With the help of these you can bring the torch near to this sensor and away from the sensor. Here you can see the ground pin, A0 which is the analog out, D0 which is the digital out, and here you can see the VCC pin. So all these pins are working. You can see here. You can connect these with the Arduino. So let me check this as well. So let me bring it closer to the sensor. Here you can see. So this was the method of how to add LDR sensor module to the Proteus. The library link is available in the description. You can download from there. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, like and share the video. Visit my channel for more videos related to it. Thanks for watching.